Hey guys, this is Chris with marketingtelescm.com. I would like to welcome you to another video where today I'm going to show you a really nice way on how you can make money by just listening to radio. That is correct. You can make money by listening to radio music. We hear radio all the time, so why don't you can make money out of it while you do listen to your favorite music? Before we go ahead and start this video today, before I'm going to show you how and the website I'm going to discuss and how you can use it, I would like to ask you, if you haven't already, to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation of all the ways I show there. The one that I think is the best in order for you to make some money out of it and change your life. And if you haven't already, please subscribe in my channel, hit the thumbs up in order to see the next video coming up. And with no further ado guys, let's go ahead and see what it's all about this site and how you can make money by listening to radio. Alright guys, let me hide this real quick. The site I'm talking today is called royalty.com. You're gonna find the link under the description on this video, so you can find it and click to follow from there. And Radio Loyalty, pretty much what it pays you to listen to music. You need to use the free sign up in order to sign in, and you need to stay tuned, right? And by being tuned, you need to be actively there. So you need to be in front of your computer, and every now and then they will send you some code, so you need to be present when you do this. Yeah, it's a way for them to know that you actually hearing the music, you're giving the feedback and so on, and it's not just playing on the background and nobody pays attention, because at the end of the day they want to get the best feedback on this music. So as you can see, let me show you here, you are able to choose to listen to all genres like pop, jazz, rock, you can hear to talks, country music and so on, which is great. It covers all tastes. You can use the free sign up, use the station guide, and you can see, as you can see here, there is a trillion options. You can use for children, for classical, club, rock, R&B, hip hops. The list is endless, so you're able to do everything to hear all the music from here. So how does this work? Once you do the free sign up guys, and you are in and you choose to hear the different categories that you are interested, while you do this, you will start earning points. You should be expecting about 10 cents for every 10 minutes you're doing. You're not gonna make rich out of this, but it's free to use, it's free to sign up, and if you're doing some work on your computer and you're listening to music, why not getting paid out of it? Yeah, so if you add this up, if you're sitting in front of your computer for hours doing some work and you're listening to music as well, why not? Why not to get this money? So you can use this money later on and you can invest it to something else. Yeah, so gather from here this option, free, sign up, listen to music that you hear anyways. Everybody listens to music, and get the money. What I want you to know how this works is that you can redeem these points by getting like a redeem card that you need to apply for it, and they will send you by mail. So you're gonna get some points deducted out of it from your general points to it, but that's how it works. They need to cover their expenses to do this as well. So you are able to retrieve the money through that card once you receive it, or you can redeem the points in different gift cards and so on. But this is it guys. I mean, really straight, simple, nice way to make money without doing anything. It's if you're in the office or if you're at home and you're doing some work and you're in front of the computer and just you want to hear some music, just hit the royalty.com site, go to the station or the music you like to hear on the background, work on your computer, do your work. So if you're in the office and you are 8 out there, 8 hours, so you can make some money out of it. If you do this for a whole month, it's actually a good amount of money gathering up. Yeah, so as I told you, it's not gonna make you rich overnight guys, but it's a very nice simple way without doing nothing to make money out of it, and you should give it a shot. If you are interested to make a little bit more volume on the finance and the income, and more interest in ways to make money though, I would invite you as always to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation, tested ways with proofs, with videos, step-by-step guide, how I found the #1 way to get financial freedom and passive income on this one. So I do invite you, when you have some free time, actually I invite you to do it now, because the more you leave it, the more you lose. Take the action now guys. go ahead, start by the loyalty right now, start making some money out of this free music thing, and then when you click the link below in order to see these links to open it, just go ahead, browse around, see my #1 recommendation, nothing to lose. Actually, it will change your life, it will make some extra income. At the end of the month, you will thank me for it. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the content of this video. Very simple, short, free as always way to make money online. If you do like to hit the like button so you can follow my videos, do stay subscribed so you can follow all the ways that I'm suggesting for you. And I wish you an amazing day ahead, a great week ahead, and see you soon. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye for now.